Yo, what up? What up, Coach Carlos? What's good? What is fucking good? Renier, what up? What up, Renier? Hope you guys are having a good night. Sharp, no, what up? What up, Newts? Bowser. This is my current situation right now. Guess it's got to get worse before it gets better, huh? Nice, Newts. Good shit, man. I was actually green in these. I was actually green in these accounts. 161 realized, and then I had 70 in a trade, and I fucking gave it back. It was down a bunch. Then I caught this for a nice little pop, and then this wasn't expecting a fucking 37-point bounce, you know. And then now it's like I'm not locking in games. But what's funny about all of this? It's I'm still the same shit is happening to me. Like, look, I just don't have any fucking confidence. And look, what was I just up 180 right now? Now I'm probably gonna get stopped out. We all fucking know how this is going to play out. That's just what's been going on with me. And this account was more than halfway to a payout, but I guess not anymore. So look at this. Right after London opened, I had an order that I canceled for 82, and then I had a sell for 91.50. Guess what fucking happens right after I canceled the order? That happened, and that would have been more than enough for me to be done for the day. So I'm still like second guessing myself because this market has been really fucking with my head. So I don't fucking trust anything, and I haven't been trusting myself. So like that would have been a 9.5 points. That would have been fucking 360, 70 bucks after fees. But no, why would I fucking keep that order open? You know? And then here I am now. I'm fucking, basically playing from behind. Marco, what's up? Jay Jackson. Jay Jackson. Coach GA. Carbonite. The surgery went great, but like, man, the numbing shit has worn off like a few hours ago, and it feels like I had a fucking pin drilled through the front of my finger, through the fingertip. It feels like that, and it also feels like I had another fucking pin drilled right through this knuckle here, this way. That's exactly how it fucking feels right now, and that's exactly what happened. And like I've taken Advil, I've taken fucking hydrocodone, and it doesn't really fucking matter. That's for fucking sure. I think I should lock in some gains just in case this thing fucking decides to bounce again. And then what's gonna happen is it's gonna fucking dump. I had like 250 bucks. So now it's gonna drop like fucking 40 points. But so I'll just re-enter and regret it. But yeah, it's been I should have let him. I don't know what he was going to prescribe me. Yeah, see, all I could do is laugh at this shit now. That's all I could do is just laugh at how I've been trading. It's a fucking joke. Yeah, of course. It's a fucking joke. I can't even get mad. I'm not even going to tilt. I'm just like, like even this. I was up in this account. This is my Top Step account. I had a day of 200 in. I was up in this account like 60 bucks, and like same thing, second guessing my trades, not holding shit long enough, and then sure enough, I hit the daily loss limit. So, the account, I still have it, but like Jesus fucking Christ, man, what the fuck? It's so fucking annoying. Like it's getting old. Not reading the shit right, not trusting myself. It's all getting really fucking old. Sinful, what up? Crankberry, thank you guys. Gregory Gustav, what up? What up? One trade a day. Let me lock some more fucking games in before it changes his mind. Oh, and the other thing that happened with the Top Step, I was in long, and I thought it was I thought I had a stop that I was moving trailing, and I fucking added a fucking another fucking mini to my long, and then it dumped. It was and that's what hit the daily loss limit. That's how I hit the daily loss limit on that one. I was like, what? I was like, oh fuck, did that just really happen? And I was like, whatever. We'll see how it plays out. And then sure enough, of course, it went against me. That's how that specific thing happened. The key word one trade a day is if we get to 33. We're not quite there yet, but I'll take this. I'm fine with that. I'm only down 446 now. Snahil, what up? How was which take profit trader account? I mean, where did we leave you? Because I don't have any fun. Well, I'm going to have a funded 50K in the morning. I can't activate it now. Is this a good spot for a bounce? Maybe. You got some support here. You got some support here. Support here. There's a little wick here. I don't know. 50K. I haven't started trading it yet. I'm about to grab some more 50K evals though. How much more lower does this have to go? Damn. So glad I got out at 15 and went down another 5 points. Like shit like that just happens a lot. I mean, that's always happened to me. That's something that's always happened. I don't let shit ride to like a take profit. Although I don't have a take profit. I never did have a take profit in that one trade. Rhino, what up? Kathy Floor, what's going on? Crank. Yeah, it's rough, man. It's fucking rough. Oh my God. Am I gonna get fucking played here? Am I gonna get fooled here? It bounced off the 5-minute 21. I don't know. Yeah, it still wants to go down, but it's gonna fill me first and then go down. Boom. Watch it go down now. I'm keeping it fucking tight. But like, man, the struggle is real. The struggle is fucking real. I might start trading gold more than I do. Like there was such a clean fucking dump on gold, and then it was a clean ass fucking bounce. I don't know. Something happened with gold though. Like, does anybody know why gold dumped like that and then bounced? Just gonna keep going up, or is this is it for that move? Is that it? Does it have any more in the tank? I'm locking shit in, man. I'm fucking just tired of fucking getting. I'm tired of being up like that much. I'm tired of being up that much, and then it goes the completely opposite way. Like, look, good thing I did, right? This might keep going down, but that's what's been happening a lot too. The dollar was pumping, dude. Fucking look at this. Look at gold. Well, Bowser, you trade gold, so you probably took advantage of it. Like gold was just like I don't know, just going sideways, and all of a sudden it fucking dumped from 28.90 to fucking 28.70 in like not a lot of time. And then all of a sudden, right here, it just decided, oh, let's go back up to fucking 28.82. Coach, what up? Yeah, I don't watch the dollar. I just like taking a peek at gold, and I was like, holy fuck. What did I just do? I did not want to do that. Fuck me. Boom. All right. Wow. See? Good thing I got out when I did, right? Look at that. It dumped 13 fucking points. I bet it goes even lower. This fucking whack Arnold's W actually confirmed. And that was a nice fucking move. That's where I started fucking, I think that's where I gave up all my games. 9:30 Asia high. 9:30. What up, Ron? Yeah, it's fucking Big Blue. What up? Thanks, man. They want me back. They invited me back for another 2 segments. That was really fun. It was cool. I liked hanging out with those guys. Look at that. Just look at it. But yeah, no, it was cool. I'm gonna be back on for 2 more. I don't know when. You know, man, is it fucking 2 o'clock yet? I want to take another painkiller. I'm mixing hydrocodone and fucking Advil. The Advil doesn't do shit. I can tell you that much. Wow, look at that. Right off the 5-minute 21 SMA. Go figure. But look, you got some support here. I don't know. Fucking crazy. I'm glad I got out when I did though on that. See? I got out at fucking 1250 and it went down to 800. You might be banned from Top Step TV. Just create fucking another account. There was someone in there who had like 90 accounts, logged into all of them at the same time talking shit about me. You know? So, why can't you? I don't know why you would waste your time doing that, but if you're such a fucking great trader and shit like that, but whatever. Not you specifically, but in general. That was a nice little bounce too. Look at that. It's like shit is just so fucking confusing. AJD, have I gotten a payout from Take Profit? No, not yet. They're the only well, I mean, you could add bulenox to the list, although I just started trading with them and I'm waiting for a bunch of blown evals to rebill at 91% off because of the promotion they were running last month. But no, I have yet to get a payout from Take Profit Trade. I've gotten a ton of payouts from Apex, a bunch of payouts from my fund of futures. I got a payout from Top Step. I got a payout from Trade Day. Nothing from Take Profit Trader yet. I will be getting paid. I will get paid a lot of money from Take Profit Trader. I just haven't yet. Nice job, trader guy. What up, Don Burberry? AJD, have you gotten a payout? Are you asking because you're wondering if they pay, or are you just curious if I've gotten a payout from them? They do pay. They pay pretty fast too. Yeah, big blue fella. I can't curse too much. You know what I mean? And like the first I don't know if I'm sure you guys noticed. Like I was a little nervous in the beginning. For starters, like I just met those guys. You know what I mean? Like I literally met them like 30 seconds before we hopped on, like in the back, behind the scenes when I like logged into the software and shit. And they were in the back end waiting for me. And they were like, yo, what up? And then whatchamacallit? And then I'm used to being the guy doing all the talking, right? Because I'm on the stream. I'm used to being the guy like interacting with you, engaging with you guys in the chat, and I'm just talking about what's going on, blah, blah, blah. And like they're the ones that do that. And I was like the guest. So like that was a completely different dynamic than what I'm used to. And then I had to build a rapport. Like we had to establish some sort of rapport with each other because they weren't used to me. They don't know me. They don't know what to expect from me. They might, even if they've watched me, even if they see me stream and stuff, just like I've seen them before. It's just different when you're, hanging out for the first time. So the first like 10, 15 minutes was like a little, not nerve wracking. I was just like trying to feel my way into plus like, I saw like, I was watching the chat. I was watching the fucking chat, like with the volume down. And I was like, holy fuck, 3,300 people. You know what I mean? There's a lot of fucking people. I've never been on, oh my God, this shit is crazy. I've never been on a stream with more than, on my own stream I think my all-time high, 306 people, which is a fuck ton. but I'm used to that because like it's grown, I've grown steadily over time. So I'm used to having 250 people or being on with 300 people. And then there's 3,300 people, and a lot of them don't even know me. Some people was talking, running one guy said I'm insufferable. And I said, I wish he would have called me deplorable. you know? Yeah, dude. Yeah, yeah. AJD, bro. They fucking pay, man. They pay. If you're wondering like about if they pay, like they're one of the faster paying prop firms too. Like, and like you request, you're gonna get approved. Just don't like have don't have like a $10,000 day because they'll force you into a live account. But yeah, I'm looking to join the ranks of people who gotten paid by Take Profit Trader for trading. Yeah, the chat. Yeah, because it could get wild in it. I've even gotten timed out in the chat, just having fun. Like I'm fine with trolling. Like I'm cool with like you know good-hearted trolling, like fucking around and shit. Like I do it, and I'm cool when people do it to me. But when it's like nefarious and people want to be complete fucking jerk offs, I get why. I get it. Because I bump the jerk offs. I give them a chance to be cool. I give everybody a chance to be cool. And if I see that you're just not going to be cool, then I kick you the fuck off because I don't, there's a vibe, right? You see how we're all just hanging out, we're chilling, and there's a vibe here. If someone comes in and just ruins that vibe, I don't want them around because they're going to ruin it for you guys too. What up? And what up? Who's that? MCC? What up? Yeah. You know what it is, bro? Trader guy, like, bro. Even that day, the fucking live account was down 8 grand. It's crazy, but I will. I feel differently about all of it now. Not just because they had me on, but like because they're fucking cool. So like, I feel bad, you know. But damn, $8,000, 8,000 fucking dollars. That's a lot. They wanted me to say that they wanted me to say that they're the best prop firm. I was like, eh. It was funny, man. It was cool. Like they're cool fucking guys. Like it was fun. It was fun. Those guys were cool. Everyone I interacted with, like even behind the scenes, like getting everything going, everybody was super fucking chill. So it's different. You know what I mean? It's like it's hard to explain. MCC, are you talking about I don't watch them daily. I've watched the show before, but I don't watch it daily. I just don't. I don't know. I don't watch a lot of streams. I don't watch anybody's streams really. Look at that little fucking pop. Are we gonna reject here though? Like that's the question. That's the 34 SMA. This is the 34 EMA. This is the 21. Where are we on the chart? The VWAP band. Yeah, we did. We are, but we're not. I don't know. I don't know what to make of this shit. It's fucking annoying. What's gold doing? And this is like, I have to completely, I don't know why this is the new gold. Like, the contracts rolled over. And when I loaded it up, like none of my fucking, that's what I need to do. I need to save template. Degen 1. Maybe that's what I got to do. Oh, shit. What just happened? There we go. Okay, there we go. We're good now. What up, Jason? What up? Nicholas, what up, man? LA. Well, not the guys that like are on the show. I don't know if they make millions. So, they're on, they trade and shit, but I think they're on the payroll too. They're definitely on the payroll. They work there. Kahuna, what up? Be good, man. Renier, you got banned for saying fade the top. Yeah. Fade the what that day? Fade the top step house for Trevor Laconte. I fucking forgot. I wanted this because I saw Trevor in there. I was like, yo, you gotta smash the like button for Trevor Laconte, guys. Yeah, it's fucking damn. Look at this shit go. Wait, that's gold. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. This shit's fucking crazy. I guess 800. We came down to 800 twice. I think. Well, we got dip below here, but I don't know. I don't know what to make of this shit. We dropping? I don't fucking know. Ugh, we are. Watch this. Am I gonna regret this? Probably. Let me cancel it, and then I'll really be pissed when it drops 20 points. You guys ready? Iron, what up, man? Yeah, you could watch it. You could watch it. Let me grab. I posted. Hold on. Let me grab it because I posted a community. I made a community post, and I posted the link to the with the exact timestamp. So what I'll do is fuck. I gotta. Boo. All right, let's try this again. What I gotta do is grab the URL. Oh, I know how I could do it. The easy way. The easy way. It's too easy. Look at that. And then I'll paste it in the chat so you guys could, for your viewing pleasure. If you guys want to see my Shan, what up, Shan? Cashol, what's good? Ron. Have you checked out the new day traders platform? Yo, it's weird. I don't know if it's like I still don't like I'll never know. Like it'll always be a mystery. Like I don't know if it's real money. It's just weird how it, you know. But I think that's what how I think they follow me in a trade. I think they follow me in that account. One day before NFP, you're not trading this. Why not? I mean, I get it, bro. But for prop firms, I mean, there's always going to be something because you got Trump now, dude. Jason, like, fucking Trump's going to fucking like fart in a jar and talk about it, and the market's going to dump or pump on a whim. The best time to trade is when he's fucking sleeping. Yeah, Crankberry. What? How do you think they got? Yeah, how do you think he got your email, bro? He got your email. Hold on, He got your email because he stole the data that he was not entitled to. I'm willing to bet. I probably got an email too. Top Step segment. Here's the link to my when I was on that Top Step stream. On with the timestamp. I got the timestamp, so you don't have to sit it. It's right before I come on. So for your viewing pleasure, there's the link in the chat. Thanks again, guys, for everybody who was there. The DGen fam was fucking representing to the fullest, without a doubt. The DCA gang, it was fucking awesome. Oh, look. Where's this what did I cancel? I canceled 812. Well, we're basically right there. Yeah, you guys were fucking awesome. I saw the chat just going crazy. It was fucking cool. It was cool. And then I got on my stream like after, and there was 155 people waiting. And like I made the stream live with Streamlabs, and then it never flipped live on YouTube. So I had to fucking kill that one and start another one, which was annoying. I might have had a record turnout on my stream that day had that not happened. But I think I still hit 296 people, like when it peaked. Look at this. We're just chopping around. What's gold doing? Holy shit. Look at fucking gold. Oh, look, gold's at the VWAP. Does gold give a fuck about the VWAP? It looked like it did here. Rejected here. Came back up and retested it. Now we're pulling back a little bit, but it's interesting. Yeah, Big Blue. Yeah, they told me not to curse. That's why I. That's why I didn't. I did say fuck a couple of times, I think. No, Jason, it's not you, bro. It's not you at all in terms of Trump's market. In terms of Trump's market, it is not you. Oh, is this a Head and Shoulders? Maybe. Maybe not. Because we're just chopping around here. We're just humping around. What up, Greg? D. What up? The trades take 3 separate clicks. Renato, what up, man? Robert, what's good? Yeah, I want to. Yeah, look, boo. Look, I canceled 812. What a fucking idiot. This is the shit. This is the shit I'm talking about. I second guess myself all the fucking time lately. It's fucking brutal. That's 10 points. I would be green right now. I would be green. Does it go more? If this Head and Shoulders confirms, like, oh, are we gonna like just chop in the range before it fully confirms? If it confirms, it's gonna go down another like 10, 15 points. Fuck it. Watch it bounce here. This is like kind of an area of support too. This is what I'm saying. Like, I'm just so fucking out of whack. I don't trust it. Let's see. Another canceled order at 800. Another canceled order. See, a good thing I did. You know, that's what I'm saying. But man, I canceled 812. I canceled 812 and it's down to 800. That's 480 bucks. I'd be up 110, let's say, after fees. What up, Marcine? Matthew Van Zant. How's the finger? It feels exactly like I had 2 pins drilled into the same finger right about now. It's not unbearable, but it's fucking, I feel it. I'm not comfortable. Let's just say I'm not very comfortable. And he did this, like he wrapped this fucking thing the fuck up because he wanted it to be protected. First of all, the pins stick out. The pin sticking out of this fingertip, my middle finger, it's sticking out from here. And then it's also sticking out on this side here because it's in this way. One pin's in this way for this bone, and the other pin's in this way for this bone. And I heard him drilling because I didn't go to sleep. Damn. Look at that. 11 fucking points. This is confirming. Fuck my life. Yeah, I'll just put an order down here. A buy order. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about, guys. How many fucking canceled orders do I have to fucking how many orders do I have to cancel that turn out to be banger trades? For me, it's a banger trade because I'm a scalper and the size I take. Like, fuck, man. Look at that. Almost 16 points. And even the fucking the sell I canceled here to get in. I mean, it went down, how much more is it going to go down? I went to enter at 800. Maybe we bounce off the VWAP, which also is, where this double bottom confirmed from before. I don't know. It's just fucking annoying. It's super frustrating. Yeah, we almost hit the VWAP there. I mean, but man, it's just super fucking frustrating. What happened to my finger, Greg? I broke that shit a month ago. So I broke it a month ago playing baseball, and I didn't. He suggested this exact procedure then, and I didn't want to because the middle knuckle also was dislocated, and it wasn't staying. It wasn't like going back into place. It was still out of place, and I was like, can we try without doing surgery? And like he put it in place. He put a splint on it. All this shit. And it just wasn't holding. It wasn't healing right. And this one was broken too. This bone and this bone were broken. This one was also dislocated. It just wasn't healing right. So here we are a month later, and I'm basically back at square one, which fucking blows. And even with that said, even with this fucking surgery, my finger will never be straight again. It'll be like this permanently. Like it'll have a permanent bend to it. I'll be able to hold stuff, but I'll never be able to straighten it out again, which I'm like a little concerned about because when you play baseball, when you throw a baseball, right, the ball comes off your middle finger last, you know? It like the ball goes like this off the middle finger. So if this thing doesn't bend back, and I'm a righty, if this thing doesn't bend back, like how's it going to be when I throw? I'm like really concerned about that. I'll probably be fine. Like I'll be able to make the adjustment, but I don't know. Just, you know, I'll be able to hit as long as I can still hit. Because the fucked up part is like the fucked up part. No, never be the same, bro. Never, Matthew. And I broke it once before. It's not the first time I've ever broken it. It's the same finger. Yeah, total freak accident, man. Did he? What up? It just went through the trend line. Yo, Jason, yeah, dude, believe me, I wasn't always like this. I'm like, I have like PTSD from the Trump market that I'm like still working through. Lately, I've been second guessing myself a lot. But look, I mean, shit, it's probably going to go even lower. I mean, minimum, 15 and a half points since I canceled that order at 12, 812. It's it's just fucking annoying, bro. It's fucking frustrating, you know? And then what's been happening, and I'm doing better at that, at least tonight, is, this market is so schizophrenic. Like it's been like putting me on the edge. Like I've been on the edge of tilt. Like I would the slightest fucking, this type of shit happened enough times. It wouldn't even take a lot, and I'd be on full fucking tilt. Like I've been tilting for like 3 weeks. I'm not tilting right now. I'm good, but like fuck, man. It's been tough because I've been getting payouts, and I fucked myself out of some payouts recently and blew a lot of funded accounts. And it's not like me to be blowing accounts left and right that much. Like I blow accounts. Like you're gonna blow accounts. You trading prop firms. It's just expect it to happen at some point. Like you're not gonna fucking hold on to these accounts forever or very long, But man, some of the things I've done, and like literally self-sabotage shit too, because I'm fucking like was always on the edge. Like I had accounts that were fucking right there for more payouts or right there for a payout, or had I just not taken any more trades and just left them alone, I'd be in line for payouts, like shit like that. And I would it's been fucking weird. I don't know. Just walk away from the baseball field. Yeah, well, I've been working on pitching for a while. Hold on, I have a dog. I hear a dog coming. I've been working on. I pitch. I just don't pitch a lot because I play center field. Oh, I'll be right back. What's up, Louie? You want to go out? Yeah, go out. Yeah, so like back to see. Look at this. Look at this shit, man. Fuck me. 94. So look, I had I canceled 800 as well. I canceled 800 as well, and it went down 6 points. This is what I'm talking about. So do the math. 6 points plus 12, that's 18. 18 fucking points. I'd be done trading this account. That would have been $700. I'd be up like 300 plus. But yeah, I do pitch. I just don't pitch a lot because it depends on the team I'm playing on. And like I'm aside from the fact that the reason I broke this finger is because I completely fucking dropped a fly ball. It just missed the glove and just smashed my finger, which never fucking happens. You know, I'm a much better center fielder than I'm a pitcher. And the other thing is like I'm only good for like 1 or 2 innings if I pitch. And like I don't throw super hard, you know, so my ball moves, but I don't throw super hard and I'm not exactly a pitcher. I could go up there and throw. But I've been working on it. Like I throw bullpen sessions and shit. Well, I haven't, but like when I go to the cages, I'll throw a bullpen session with one of my homies. Um, but yeah, and I would have been pitching this season because the team has no pitching. Like I would have definitely been getting work. So that's kind of annoying that I'm not gonna be able to do that. Also, like the whole fucking what up, P? Coral Sky, what's going on? Adrian, what's going on? Shit, this shit, shit is bumping right now. Bumping. He fucking protected the fuck out of it because he doesn't want any dogs fucking stepping on my fucking finger while it's got pins in it. But I'm gonna be like this for a week with this thing, and then he's gonna take all of this off, and then he's gonna put something not as fucking restrictive on. We bouncing here, we going down lower. But you know, like the fuck, you know, it's just funny how fucking how shit happens. Like, especially like if you're an athlete. Like I was hitting the best I've ever hit in my life. Like I've always been a good hitter, you know, and I'm but a streaky hitter. Like I would, you know, I go on a tear, you couldn't fucking get me out. And then like I couldn't buy a hit. But that's baseball. But like honestly, like I was hitting the best I've ever hit in my life. Like I hit my first home run ever. I hit my first ever home run I hit was a fucking a 2-out grand slam to put the game away. We were up by 3 when I did it. A clutch as fuck home run and a grand slam. You know, before that at bat, I hit a fucking I fucking just missed a home run. I one hopped the fence for a fucking game time. We were down by 1, I think, and after that I hit that ball, we were up by 1. I drove in 2 runs. And then like I just been smoking the ball ever since that day and just crushing balls. Like, you know, like we fucking made it to the championship. I'm the only guy who showed up at the plate. I got 3 hits in the championship. I think the whole team had 7. I went 3 for 4 in our championship game, and the whole fucking team had 7 or 8 hits total. You know, and then like, you know, and it didn't stop. Like I just been fucking seeing the ball well. And like even the guy that runs the team that I play with, he's like, yeah, you know, you've always been a good hitter, obviously, but like I've never seen you hit. I've never seen you hit like that. That's the best I've ever seen you hit. And then I break my fucking finger in the first game. The first game of the season, I was helping out this other team. It was the same team that I play on, but I was playing on the upper team because he had 2 levels, and then the lower team was supposed to have all these guys come, and nobody showed up. So like, yeah, I'll stick around and play. And it was the first fucking inning, and that's when this happened. In Europe, we use baseball bats to hit other people. No, Greg, nah, man, nah. We use wood bats, real shit, all the regular shit. Trader guy, maybe. What up, Oats? Don't walk away. Yeah, self sabotage. Yeah, it's just a phase I'm going through, man. It's just fucking annoying. But I had fucking, you know, that was a good trade. I'd be done. I'd be done right now. We did bounce right off the VWAP. Is this going to push back up? I don't know. I don't know. It's just so fucking frustrating. I'm just like I'm just trying to figure out the way the market moves again. It's not the same. This wasn't even a full head and shoulders confirmation. I mean, it was, you know, it did confirm, it did drop, but not much. And we got some new hour fuckery incoming. I'm taking this fucking hydrocodone right now. Micro, man. Yeah, D-He, believe me, a lot of people are fucking going through it right now, you know, but like, I don't know. I was just doing so well for so long. I was on a tear. Like I did like 12,000. I don't know what the exact number was in fucking December. It was like 12,000. It was either 12,577 or 12,455, something like that. So let's just say 12,500. And then I did 11,900 in January. So that's over 24 grand. And in January, like I easily fucked myself out of like $5,000 to $10,000 in payouts. So I could have had a 20,000 plus month in January. It was just, and there's been like, and like it's February 6th, and I needed one more fucking day and $180, or 2 more days and $180 to lock in $4,000 with Apex and get paid this week to start the month, which would have been amazing. And I fucked it up on day 7. I was actually got the number, but it didn't hit my take profit, and I wasn't paying attention. I looked away, and before I looked, and that like triggered tilt in me, and I ended up blowing those accounts. And that's what's been happening a lot to me lately. Just blowing accounts. Stupid and like dumb ways too. Like really fucking bad. Embarrassing too. Sometimes I did it on the streams and shit. Yeah. I hope this shit dissolves fast enough. What up, FOMO? Steve Carrasco, with 5 micros, the losses would have been half of that. So would have the gains. You know what I mean? So I would have just been, when you're on tilt, it wouldn't have mattered. I just would have continued along the path of destruction. It just would have been even drawn out even more for more torture. Casual, yeah, man. That's how I agree. I feel you. He's right. He's right though. All the guys that trade micros, I get it. I just don't like doing it. I can't. I'm good on that. We drop in here, we going back up. Like we got new hour fuckery incoming. It's just fucking just I mean, and this is what happens too. Just chop on. There's just so much fucking chop, and then there's a move, and then it goes back to chop, and then all of a sudden Trump fucking tweets that if Iran were to assassinate him, he has left instructions to obliterate them. And then the market dumps fucking 50 points because of it. You know what I'm saying? Like this is what's going on. It's never gonna stop. All this tariff talk, everything. It's fucking crazy. So like, so if you're in 5 micros and Trump tweets about Iran, if they were to assassinate him, if they were to have him killed, he already has left instructions to obliterate their country. I don't care how many fucking micros you're in, you're getting wrecked. You know? Yeah, crank, bro, crank. It's true, man. And once you're fucking, yeah, once the tilt triggers, especially there's different types of tilt, right? The type of tilt that I was experiencing was self-destructive behavior tilt, where I just stopped giving a fuck and was like, I don't give a fuck. And I would just wreck the account. So once you're in that mode, like it doesn't matter what size you're trading. You're not going to stop until you blow the accounts. That's just the way it is. You know? Oats have been on tilt for the past 106 years. You're old as fuck, bro. I'll be right back. I gotta fucking close the door. My dog probably came in by now. Sorry, guys. Look at that. My bad, my bad. I had to make sure like she was in the house. I didn't know where she was. Because then if I closed the door and she was still outside, then she'd be outside with the door locked. Yeah, P. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world trading micros. I've done it. I just don't like doing it. Mike Fam. Yeah, well, this is new hour fuckery. That was the new hour. But yeah, this shit is fucking whack, bro. This price action is fucking awful. Yeah, D like one of the most important things in trading. I swear, someone came on and was like, as I'm fucking like going through it and fucking struggling, is like 75% of trading, 75% of it is charting, and the other 25% is whatever he said. I'm like, okay, cool, man. And then he disappeared. You just came in to say that. But yeah, see this new hour shit. Is it gonna bounce here? Are we fucking going for a ride? Dude, I can't make anything out of this shit. Could just be a bigger Head and Shoulders, I don't know. I got an order down here. That's how it's gonna stay. Unless I see something completely different. But like, the emotion, being able to control your emotions is like a huge part of trading, because if you lose control, I mean, you're just not going to make good decisions. And I've been losing control very easily lately because it's just been compounding. It's just been compounding. So just the fact that I'm not tilting right now is good for me. Mike Finn, yeah, I think he's gotten pay. He gets payouts though. I'm a scalper. I don't need a big move. Yeah, FOMO. It's been hard as fuck. It's been hard, man. Yeah, unemployment claims is 730. Well, oh shit. I gotta plug my fucking. Hold up, though. I gotta plug this fucker in. Unemployment claims, and then tomorrow you got non-farm payroll. This fucking boy. I seriously can't do shit with this hand. I'm like the one-handed man right now. I'm gonna be like this for a fucking week. Fuck me. Now, how do you fucking trade this shit? This shit is fucking awful. Let's look at the bigger time frames. What are we looking at here? This is the 5-minute. Here's the 15-minute. You got a higher low, but as it's done dropping, hey, you know what's interesting? Let me zoom in on this fucking thing. This is the VWAP and the previous day's high. Interesting that we're bouncing off of it now. But of course I'm not in it. Does it keep going? Nice little 12-point pop. It's just a lot of fake outs. There's just a lot of fake outs with this new market too. Whatever this new shit is. Yeah, here we are retesting the VWAP on gold again, rejecting it. At some point, it's gonna fucking blow through it. Like, look at the fucking. Look at this. Shoulder, head, shoulder, kinda. Like this thing could fucking go back up to this area. But I just don't trust gold. I don't know gold enough to fucking be like, yeah, it's definitely gonna happen. Look, yeah. See, look, like there's no This is like hard to get. Man, look, like no continuation. We're just chopping. Yeah, crank. I'm good on, like I said, I'm good on micros, man. I'm good on all that shit. What up, Juan Wick? Jim Abbott, Sammy Roger, Jim Abbott. Yo, fuck no, man. I haven't been able to do shit with this. I'm like asking people to like open shit for me at my house. It's fucking awful. Take profit trader 90% off. Could you imagine? I mean, the 50% off is pretty good that they're doing right now. By the way, by the way, in case you were wondering, Take Profit Trader is doing 50% off right now. Let me copy and paste this with my one fucking hand. 50% off Take Profit Trader using the best code ZERODAYJAY. Oh my God. Can't fucking type. I'm a proficient typer too, but not with one hand. There's my link. Apex, their sale's over, by the way. Apex is back to 50% off, guys. Bulenox is doing 83% off, which isn't bad. It's not quite as good as 91% off, but it's better than 50% off Apex. The issue with Bulenox is, the activation fee is expensive. It's about this. It's basically the same as Top Step. Here's my link for Bulenox. And then My Funded Futures, 25% off expert accounts. If anybody trades with My Funded Futures and they like expert accounts or they wanted to try them, now would be a good time because you could get 25% off. Also, keep in mind, with code ZERODAYJ, if you use ACH, you could save 5% off of everything else, including resets. I switched to ACH just to save 5% off resets and new accounts. Personally, they use Plaid. You could put my code in to do it. Humble's Futures. Best code for all of that is ZERODAYJ. Or fuck, man, TPT. This sucks typing one-handed, man. This is fucking brutal. Kill me. Anyone want to get a rug pulled together? Humble Futures is doing 85%, huh, P? Steve Carrasco, are they good at what? The expert? They are good. It's just they're expensive. There's no daily loss limit. There's no consistency rule. There's no, how like the 50K, like a 50K starter account has a cap of $1,200 for a max payout. It's not like that with the expert. But you have to, like, a 50K, you have to grow to 4,000 instead of 3,000 to pass it. There's no activation fee, just like the starter and the starter pluses. None of the evals at My Fund the Futures have activation fees. And then like you have less drawdown too. Instead of like on a 50K starter, it's $2,500 of drawdown. On an expert, it's 2,000. Look at that. Look at this fucking bullshit price action. We going back up. Is 800 support now? Like, what are we doing here? I don't trust any of this shit. Fuck, man. Gold. Wow, gold rejected off the VWAP 3 times. Let's fuck around. Let's fuck around with gold, shall we? Can't wait to get fucked. I felt like this was like some sort of support right here. Let's see if I get played by gold. What's the difference between getting played by gold or getting played by the NQ? Does it really matter at this point? I did have $50 real quick. Also, gold, if you trade minis, gold is $10 a tick per mini. Wishful thinking here. Yeah, see, I'm probably going to get stopped out. You know why I'm going to get stopped out? Because that's just what's been going on lately. Gold hurts. Yeah, I know, dude. I know. I'm sorry. What's the difference if I get fucking stopped out trading in a gold trade after being up or stopped out in an NQ trade after being up? How much it's, oh, Steve, take profit trader accounts right now, they are 50% off. This is the price for them. Let me move this, make sure it's not in the way so I can see what's going on in this fucking trade. So these are all the different size accounts you could get. Now that there's no more daily loss limit, I like the smaller accounts. You don't have to worry about nuking the account with some bullshit small ass daily loss limit. But the 25K 75, the 50K is 85. After putting in the best code ZERODAYJAY for 50% off, I still like the 150s. I just don't love them like I used to. I don't like them the most. The 100K is 165. The 150 is 180. They have a $130 activation fee for every size account. They always had the activation fee. It's so funny because, you know, they do these promotions from time to time. And I don't know if they're going to do it again now that they don't have a daily loss limit. But they would, you know, for 3.5 months, they had no activation fee. So some people either forgot that they didn't have a daily, an activation fee, or they were just newer to take profit trader, or just newer to prop firm trading as a whole. And they're like, what? They have an activation fee now? It's like, no, they always did. They just waived it for 3.5 months, which was amazing. But now, you know, you got the activation fee. But like, you know, you can get paid every day with them. You can take money out at the first day. A lot of people do. You just got to clear the buffer. Anything over the buffer you can request. I think they're great. I just haven't gotten payout from them yet because for whatever reason, I've traded them like such a fucking idiot. Even the other day, I had a 150K up, a funded 150K up, $830 on the first day. And I was I started tilting, and I decided to go back and trade that shit. And I fucking gave it all back and blew it. It's so fucking bad. All I could do is laugh at it now. It wasn't funny when it was happening. What up, AS? Shit's fucking bandaged up like a motherfucker. It's bumping. Where is NQ at? 785 is where I had that other order. I canceled it though. Oh, 82.75 I canceled. 82.75 I canceled that buy. Dark Cloud, what up? My Monday stream? Wasn't I losing my shit on Monday? What up, Sam? Oh, look at me. Oh, I wish I wasn't. I only went in one because I'm a pussy. Because it's gold. Oh my God. Can I fucking. Do I want to get out here, or do I want to see if it's going to keep going? Because I know as soon as I fucking lock in gains, the baby gains, my take profit's going to get hit in a few minutes because that's what happens a lot to me. Fuck it. You know, it's fucked up, man. I took that fucking hydrocodone and it's not doing shit. It's probably because it's only 5 milligrams. It's 5,325. 5 milligrams of codeine and 325 milligrams of whatever's in the Tylenol. So it's basically Tylenol with codeine. I feel like I should I think 10 would do the trick. 10 and like a couple of shots of Jameson. 10 and some booze. Look, see, that's why I didn't want to that's why I fucking know what? I'm gonna lock this in here because I don't know. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna. It might stop me out here, but like we've fucking hit our head on the VWAP 3 times and it can't get over it. So, I mean, I hope. I mean, I don't know. Well, knew that was gonna happen, but hey, I just got $120. But I wish I would have held it a little longer. But it might. I don't know. Yeah, here we go. Here, well, let's leave my take profit here. I'm gonna leave the take profit there. Let's see what happens. What up, Machado? Yeah, Dark Cloud, man. Join the club. I guess that's why it hit home for you. Do I use bulenox? I do, Machado. I just haven't traded it in a little bit because I had some funded accounts and I fucked them up. That was another one I fucked that myself out of a payout with in January. And I'm just waiting on. Look, I have all. I played. I at 91% off last month. I played a game I like to play called Pass or Smash, and these are all evals that I paid $16.75 for that I smashed, and they're about to rebuild. So I'll be back trading with bulenox again as soon as these rebuild. I think it's going to rebuild tomorrow, Friday, and then we'll try it again. But yeah, I do trade with bulenox because now I can trade with bulenox because they have Project X. I wasn't able to trade with them previously because they only offered Rhythmic. Now they have Project X, so I could trade that on my Mac. Yeah, there's an activation fee on bulenox. Machado, if I were you, the only account worth getting there is the 50Ks. Maybe the 25K too, but the activation fee is about the same for both. But anything bigger than 50K, the activation fee grows pretty fucking big. The activation fee, yeah, I'm not a huge fan of Project X. I can't even use Rhythmic, so it doesn't even, unless I do like, a bunch of shit to my laptop, I don't feel like doing. What's up, Anna? I love TradeAvate. I like TradeAvate so much. Maybe just because I know how to use it. I'm pretty good at using it. Anna, the finger hurts. This is my current situation. I am Aquaman. Do I see Mr. Beast games? Nah. I know about Mr. Beast. My kids know about Mr. Beast. Bulenox 83% is over, Vinny? Oh, shit. Let me look. That fucking blows. Let me double check that for you. It was only for option 1. So if you're choosing option 2, it won't work. But let me just double check that. Thanks for bringing it up. I don't really pay attention to when that shit ends because, let's see what they have going on. The 75% might have ended already. They had the 75% off deal also. Jesus. Can I finish typing in my Gmail? There we go. There goes gold. What did I fucking say? What is this shit? Oh. Chart settings. There it goes. Here comes my take profit. I'm telling you, man, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. It's up how many more ticks? I got out at 81. It's at 810. It's up 23 ticks. That would have been 200. I'd be basically at break even. I'd be at that's another $230. This is what I'm saying, guys. This is the shit that's been, this has always been a thing that I've been working through. Current position. Why is it not showing it though? I don't get it. There we go. Just trying to configure my chart. Oh, fuck. I just fucking got rid of it again. But watch. It's going to hit this. It's going to hit it. It might blow through it. It might even keep going. Show trade lines, show fills, show orders. There we go. What just happened? Did I cancel? Oh, it didn't even show the. Oh, what did I fucking. I got. Stupid. So look, you see that? It went up 810. It went up fucking 29 more ticks. 290, I'd be green. All I had to do was hold. But no, what did I do? I took baby fucking gains because I wanted to lock in gains in case it pulled back. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about, guys. It's just something that's something that I've been dealing with for a long. It's way before this Trump shit. It's just like I was right. I'm right a lot of the time. I just don't fucking trust myself enough to fucking let my rightness play out, if that makes any sense. But man, look at that. Went right to this fucking area of resistance right here. Unfucking real. Let's hope it keeps going down though. It's probably going to retest the VWAP and then, bounce again. But I'm chipping away. I was down a lot more than this. It might bounce off of these too. So I'm going to fucking be ready for that. Uh-oh. Boo. I should have taken the 100. You fuck. Oh my God. Are you serious right now? Fuck you. What did you even bounce off of? Tried to take 100. Now I'm going to get nothing. You got to be fucking kidding me. I can't believe that just happened. What did it bounce off of this? Where? Is it still going to drop? I would have been more than happy with $100. Honestly, I would have been more than happy with my original fucking plan, which was to let this shit run to my take profit, which I got filled on. And now I'm in this short, but yeah, I'm locking this in. I'm sure I'll hit my take profit after the fact, but locking this shit in. Oh, back to 100. Oh yeah, 120. 90. Okay. Here comes my other fill. Here comes my fill. Here's my take profit. Watch it. Watch my take profit get hit. All right, so bulenox. I'm looking right now. Oh, 83 is still good. But it's only for option 1, guys. If you try option 2, which is the end of day drawdown, you won't get if you want to use that one, you could get 75% off. So look, I would have gotten another 80 830. It went down another like 7 ticks. Yep. Fucking gold, man. Look. I was fucking right. I'm moving this though. I don't know. Let's go look at the NQ again. Let's go see what's going on with the NQ. Nothing. We did drop a little here. $82.75. Like we dropped here, but now look, see, we chop, all this chop, then we drop a little bit, and then we bounce back, and then we're back in this fucking zone. That's what the NQ does, like a lot lately. Dark Cloud, say motherfucker. There we go. Thanks, motherfucker. Thanks for hitting the super chat, motherfucker. I appreciate the support, man. Thank you. Everybody show some love to Dark Cloud. Oh, I can't say thank you. Oh, it expired, man. Damn. I was too busy fucking trending world. What up? No, not anymore. I had last month they had 91% off. I grabbed a bunch of evals to start trading because they had fucking they had that deal run, and they added whatchamacallit. They added Project X, so I could finally fucking trade. Yeah, thanks, man. I really appreciate it. Is that what you wanted me to say? You wanted me to say motherfucker? I think I said it like 4 times for you. I don't know, Steve Carrasco. I feel like Mr. Beast is some sort of fucking like government asset, bro. Great Dane, what up? Neeson, what's good, man? You received a message from Take Profit Trader that they want to transfer me to Pro Plus. Is it worth it? I would wait until they force you to. It is worth it. I mean, you know, it's a better split. It's 90-10 instead of 80-20. And something else changes too. I forgot what it was. Look at fucking Yankee. What's gold doing? Gold went back up. See, I'm glad I got out when I did. I did good though. I went 2 for 2 with gold. I like that. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte, guys. We got 130 people on here, only 21 likes. I am not taking another trade. No, whatever, guys. It's all good. It's all good, guys. I appreciate the support. Thanks for coming and hanging out. So, Neeson, what are you at? Like, what'd you do? Like $5 grand in profit with them, or you're up to like 10 grand total or something like that? At some point, they start reaching out. I would hold out until they say you have no choice now. That's me. Because then you go, that's a live, Pro Plus is a live account. What I forgot, Take Profit Trader rules. Let's see. Pro. There we go. Benefits of Pro Plus. 90-10 profit split. No buffer zone requirement. Each trader that reaches 5,000 will be presented with the opportunity. I think once you get to like 20,000 in total profit in that account, then they force you to. If you do more than like, if you do the max amount in one day, they'll force you to. But you have the option. Great Dane. Trade iffy. They have Trade Evade, don't they? I think they have Trade Evade too. Yeah, they have Trade Evade. Jamila. Yeah, that was the other thing. That's why I didn't even bring it up. I was going to say it, but it doesn't matter because the daily loss limit went away when you went to a Pro Plus account, but the daily loss limit is gone forever anyway. Hopefully forever. Wow. Am I going to? Oh, here's my order. Let's fucking put it back in there. What was it 82.75? That's it right there. 82.75. I would have gotten filled in that buy order. Wow, it came all the way down there. Do I want to fucking yeah, right here. Let's fucking see what happens. Or is 82.75. It came all the way down there. I'm gonna get in this trade. I'm like, fuck, I wish I stuck with gold. Uh-oh. I got a better fill. I got filled at what, 79.50? That's a better fill. But I don't know if it's gonna matter. We'll see. I do like this area though for support. You got this. You got all of this here. It's not a bad spot. I just don't know if I could have waited for it to go lower. Wishful thinking. I would love that though. That'd be fucking. Oh my God. I'm back green. You guys watch me work this fucker all the way back to being green. Keep going, you fucking piece of shit. Come on. Oh no. Well, I was back green. Fuck, man. You gotta be fucking kidding me. This is why I hate the fucking NQ. Oh my God. You see this shit? Oh my God. Look, why didn't I take it? This is what the NQ fucking does to me. I was green for a second. I should have just fucking locked it in. And like, as soon as I started saying it, it fucking went against me. And now I'm going to get stopped out. Fucking awful. That was a fucking good trade, man. It was until it wasn't. 6 points. I don't think I was up 240 exactly. I was up like what? 200? Well, I was up what? 42 bucks, 47 bucks. I was up like 220, 215, 220 or something like that. Awful, man. I mean, Steve, man, ain't nothing to it but to do it, bro. Just put yourself out there. Who gives a fuck? People will come. In the beginning, it's going to look like nothing's happening, though. I remember when I first started, oh, look at this. Am I getting blessed again? I'm not fucking this up again. Oh my God, you let me fucking lock it in, bro. There we go. Oh, just in time. Hey, look who's fucking green. Dude, I don't know. Some of you guys have been here since like the beginning. Hey, I fucking worked that fucker all the way. Let's see. I'm gonna go look on the stream. I want to see where I was at when I first started streaming today. But like some of you guys have been here since like the beginning. Like when I first started streaming, like especially during the overnight, no one fucking showed up. People would pop in, 2 or 3 people would pop in, they see nobody on, and then they'd leave. And I was also streaming during the day, and like, you know, we had 10 people on, 15 people on. Here comes my take profit, guys. Remember, 91.75. 91.75. Man, I would be a fucking dangerous man if I stop canceling orders and I fucking let my trades play out and hit my take profit. This one right here, that's the lower the VWAP band. It comes with the VWAP. It's the VWAP on you got to go to community indicators. You got to go indicators and then you go explore community indicators. Sorry, guys, I'm blurring out the chart, but I use this one right here. It's just called, you type in the VWAP. Probably just want to put VWAP in there, and then this one will show up. This is the one I use, the second one. The most popular one is this nom 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 VWAP bands, but I like this one. It gives you the upper and lower band. 91.75. Here we come. I don't care. I'm fucking green now, motherfucker. But damn, I got out at here. I got out here at 85.50 and went up to 89.75. That's another 4 points. That's another $160. Yeah, no problem, Ron. I am sleeping here, so don't worry. I won't go away. Yokozuna, what up? Joker, what's good, man? How's the finger? Steve, you just got to, like, nothing, in the beginning, nothing's going to happen. But people, you'll find people. You just had trading on Tilt said he'll hang out. And then you just got to get over the fear of people fucking running their fucking mouths in the chat, or just tell them to fuck off like I do. I give everybody a chance though, because I get the whole trolling thing, but like, I'll give people a chance to fuck. Like, there's been people that like were fucking dicks in the beginning, and then like now we're fucking cool. Like a dude named Reedon. He's if you guys remember, like, the whole no thesis thing, it's a joke because Reedon said that. He said, this guy has no fucking thesis. He's just taking trades. He probably caught me at a really bad time when I was like on Tilt or something, or just trading like shit in a stream. Like, hashtag no thesis became a thing. And like, and then like, that was like 3 months ago, and he comes around and he's super chill, so it happens. But like, there's going to be people that are just total fucking assholes, and no matter what you do, and they could just, they could all go fuck themselves. Do I have a mentorship? No, I don't have any of that, man. I'm using Streamlabs. You need a third party platform, and then you connect it to you connect it to your YouTube, and then you fucking, set it up and press fucking, go live. It's not that bad. Just remember to like make sure like your fucking passwords are you don't flash your passwords across the screen like I've done so many fucking times. What are we doing here? That was, oh, look, there it is. We hit it. 91.75. We just hit 92. God damn, I'd be done. That's another 6 points. That's another $240. I'd be at 300 on the day. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. And then add that on top of that, the gold one. Look at gold. Look at the gold. The gold one was another, what did I get? I mean, I did get another $90, but like, my take profit was here at this fill at 839. So it would have been another $290. I just, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'd be fucking done already. This is what gets me into trouble, because I don't let my fucking trades play out. Nice rejection off of this fucking 34. I still think we might go up. You know what I mean? I think we go back up. I could be wrong. I don't even know if I want to, like, do I necessarily need to trade this right now? Nice, Shan. Yeah, bro. I got a good chunk too. Why is it only showing one though? I was in 2 in each account. I got 240 in each account. So I beat you by $10, Shan. Nah. I got 480. I won up, bro. Jamila's in the building. Coach Calvin, what's good? J2AC. You're back like you cook crack. You were in Jersey. You're back in Texas. What up, man? What were you doing in Jersey? Work shit, family shit. Captain Price. Holy fuck. I haven't seen you in a while. How was the operation? Successful, but I'm like all fucking I got a penguin hand right now. He fucking bundled me up to make sure nothing fucks it up for a week. Shan. Oh. Does streaming put more pressure on me to get payouts? Yes and no. I definitely want to do good for you guys. I want to do good for you guys, and I also want to fucking do good to tell it so I can make, so I could rub it into the haters, you know what I mean? But I think it made me better because I just got tired of fucking people telling me they faded me and never would fucking give me props when I would win trades. So, that shit fucking lit a fire under my ass. Pops has brain fuck, man. Yeah, well, yeah. Isn't it funny how that works? Back at home, like everything's amazing. Your daughter's doing great in school, and then like your fucking dad. Life is crazy, bro. My dad's only, well, now he's 74, but he's been in assisted living. He's been in memory care for 3 years because he fucking had early onset dementia. I had to go and fucking bring him, go back to New York and get him. When I went, and what's crazy about that, you would like, not that you would appreciate it, J2AC. Yeah, we're all going to be old one day, Captain Price, unless we don't make it that far. But J2AC, so I had to go get my dad. So I moved from Long Island to Vegas right before COVID. And then right, and while that was going on, my sister was dealing with stage 4 lung cancer. So I moved, and we kind of had a falling out right before I moved because she was fucking terrified about her situation, and she felt like I was abandoning her, and she started getting nasty about it, and just was awful. And dude, man, you know what I'm talking about. Like, you're gonna fucking have regrets in your life, and that was one of my regrets, not saying goodbye to her when I left. But I talked to her after, but I never got to fucking say goodbye to her. My sister, we were fucking super tight, so I leave. I've been living in Vegas, and then my dad's losing his shit. And then because I'm in Vegas, I'm the fucking power of attorney. I'm the guy that's in charge of fucking his life. But I left, and then the shit really, he was starting to fucking show signs like he had a mental breakdown, all this crazy shit. And then I left, and then it got really bad. And then my sister went and got him, my other sister, and she almost killed him. So then my sister passes away. I go to see her the day I fly in and see her the day she fucking dies. But they killed her at Memorial Sloan Kettering. And this is at the peak of fucking COVID, September of 2020. 3 days before my birthday, too, she passed away. How awesome is that? And while I was there, I went and got my dad and brought him back. And my dad's been in fucking assisted living out here with me ever since. Well, he was with me for 6 months, living with me in the house, and then I put him in assisted living. But fuck, man, life is crazy. John Sharp, what up? Oh man, yeah. See, it's just fucking crazy. What up, Mo Crane? Have I tested Earn the Trade? No, I've heard of them though. They've been around for a while. Life is fucking crazy, guys. Captain Price, I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about, bro. No offense. Older people management, yeah, dude. Just remember too, like in terms of all of that, like I have 4 kids. I have my own life. I have my wife. I have my 4 kids. I have dogs. And then now I got to take care of my dad. So like, you know, it's just fucking a lot. Jesus Christ. J2AC, is that an Apex account? Is that an Apex account? Please tell me it's not Apex. Only because of the consistency rule. Jamila and Nuge, you guys are funny. Are we rejecting here? Like, what are we doing here? What's gold looking like? Is gold looking more tradable? Look at gold, man. Gold is fucking crazy. I bet gold fucking pumps here. I don't know. I'm chilling. I'm up 63. I'm up 64 bucks after being. Let me look at the stream. I want to see where I was at. Bear with me. I want to see where this fucking shit was at when I first got on. We'll all do it together. Let me turn the fucking volume down. I think at one point I was down almost $1,000 if I had to guesstimate. 872. But even before that, I think I was down as much as $1,000 and I worked that fucker all the way back. But on the stream, I think it was like $872 or something like that. Yeah. Wait, so what was your biggest day, J2AC? Oh, I thought you meant it in one day. Your PA account. So you must have had a monster day and you're just trying to get to the point where you can request a payout. Yeah, what was your biggest day, bro? Because I'm just curious. I want to do the math so I can see where you need to get to finally request the payout. The good news is you have a fucking massive buffer, obviously. Like you have so much drawdown. Oh, dude, MCC, I forgot, bro. I forgot to do the math. You got to do the math, bro. What size account? MCC, what size account do you have? Josh. MCC, I remember you asked that before, and then I got distracted. Probably was in a trade or some shit. Oh, 50K? All right, so do the math, right? You got a 30% consistency rule. So what you want to do is you divide it by 30%. You divide it by 0.30. So you need to grow the account to $4,267, which that's max payout land, not the end of the world. Oh my God. Did you see that? What the fuck was that? It touched the VWAP and just literally in a second dropped fucking 10 points. Makes me want to go in long. I don't know. Fuck that. I bet it goes back up. Here's support again. Did you see that though? That was fucking nuts. Just walk away, J2AC. Yo, it's funny when I see J2AC, it's almost like Tupac for some reason, like J-Pac. Your biggest day was 13,000. What? Jesus, bro. And just keep growing the account, man. Just take one day at a time, 13,100 divided by, you got to grow it to 43,667. Yo, if you could keep, yeah. Like what's cool though, I don't know what kind of size you trade with and what you look for, what kind of moves you look for. But you could just have these $2,000 and $3,000 and $4,000 days and not worry about it. You just don't want to fucking, find yourself tilting and giving back 19,000 fucking dollars. I mean, you don't have trailing drawdown. You're pretty much static at this point. Yeah, that's some dude. If you could, man, this could turn out to be a fucking amazing account if you could fucking continue growing it and get here, and then just keep working the account from there. and then like get 5 payouts, and then the 6th payout you could basically take it all. You know what I'm saying? It could be a really good fucking account for you. Yeah, exactly, bro. Eric, Eric number 91. That's it. All you need is just three more fucking 10K days, and you're good to go, bro. Piece of cake. Piece of cake, man. So, like, let me ask you, J2AC, you're up $2,380 today. Like, how do you feel about that number? Is that low for you, or like you're like, I'm trying to go for like a $5,000 or $6,000 day, or are you just gonna kind of play it because you have plenty of room to grow because of how much, because your biggest day was 13,000. Do you wait? Are you like gonna sit around and wait for like a fucking like one of your primo setups? Yeah, see, I kind of figured that was gonna happen. I don't know. We got new hour fuckery happening, so tactical, bro. Yeah, in one, don't we all, bro? What up, tactical? Yo, dude, you know how you always traded those 25K take profit trader accounts, and the fucking daily loss limit would always fucking murder you? Now those accounts are amazing for you. I used to tell you to stop trading those 25Ks tactical. Now you could trade them because there's no more fucking daily loss limit, dude. I hope you know that. I think you know that. I think you've been paying attention. Steve Carrasco, will I ever have a 10K trade? I've had 10K trades before. I don't have those accounts anymore though. Yeah, they're amazing now, tactical. Them and the 50Ks. Steve Carrasco, I had a 10,000 trade when I was trying to nuke a 50K account. I was trying to nuke a 50K funded account, an Apex account, and I reverse nuked it and ended up going up like more than 10,000 on that day. Yeah, smart, man. Well, it's good to know. That's why I was asking, bro. Like, at least you have a fucking plan. Those are big numbers. No, Steve, I did this like months ago. I wrecked it. I fucking blew it. You know, I blew it. And I was a lot less mature as a trader. You know, if I were to do that, I mean, I don't even try to have days like that anymore. Are we bouncing here, or are we gonna fucking drop more? I mean, this is a lot. There's a lot of support at this area, at this level. You know, I just don't know if it wants to drop lower. I don't trust this shit because it's the NQ for starters. What's gold doing? Kind of fucking got stalled around this area. Jason. At least it's just prop firm money. At least it's not a real account. Yeah, your take profit on NQ was down in like, what'd you say, like 68-ish? You might get it, bro. Especially now with the new hour fuckery, you might get it because like the next area of support after that is a little bit lower. Unless you go by this right here. Nah, a little lower. Oh, 765. All right, I was close. Yeah, basically right around this area of support. Trying to think what else is there at 765. What's a really good spot? Oh, the top orb. Is that what you're playing to? I'm just curious because that's where the top orb is at 765. Look at this though. Look at this. This is the 15-minute chart. We got an upside down whack Arnold's W forming potentially. Like we could fucking, if this double top confirms, like we could drop another 50, 60 points. Yeah, Jason. Yeah, I mean, dude, It's just a tough time to trade, bro. Just know that, like, just be patient with it. Be patient with yourself, and you'll come out of it. Just don't give up. Like, don't quit. You know what I mean? 765 and 740, yeah. Well, 765 is the top orb, and then 750 is the bottom orb, and then 740 is like right here, right around where you got these two candles, you got this wick. Well, it's 742. Let me look at the hourly. Not that it matters, but 740. Yeah, I mean, it's very possible. After going up, 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 up. Look at this shit. Jesus Christ. We were down yesterday. We were at 430. 21,430. We went all the way up to fucking 21,833. 400 points. And then we have unemployment claims today in a few hours. It's interesting. We got this new hour fuckery here. I mean, and the low day is 749. So you got a big order making a new low potentially. Trader guy, no, you could DCA with Apex. The only thing you got to be careful of, bro, is the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio when you do it. You could, find yourself getting into trouble. He said he adds to winners. I like that J2AC. On, when the market reopens for the week, look at the previous week open. Well, look at the weekly chart. That's interesting. I just don't trade. I feel like you're more of a trend trader. I could be wrong though. But it's definitely good to look at for levels. I'm not trying to get like these monster moves. I'm trying to fucking, scalp and cash out with fucking 8 to 10 points, especially on Apex accounts. Harvey's been in here this whole time. Just knocked the fuck out. Raider. I don't know. I think I'm moving in the right direction to being unfadable again. I think I'm moving in the right direction. The biggest thing that happened today was I was in a bad spot with these accounts, and I didn't completely lose my shit, which is a huge win for me. But I was down as much as let's see. I'll tell you right now. Actually, I started. Fuck. I'm probably gonna have. Let me refresh. I'm probably gonna have to log back in. Oh no, I'm still in. All right. I don't know if it's gonna show it all though, because I started trading this before midnight. I think. I wish they did like, how they have like today, yesterday, this week, last week. I wish they did this like this session. I wish that was an option, like for them. You know what I mean? Because like, I probably traded this before midnight. And if I put today, it's not going to show all the fucking data. But if they had this session, right, when the market reopened and they had a session option, it would show this fucking session, whether it was yesterday or today. Whatever. It's not fucking updating. Lazy for Traded, what up? How was my visit to Top Step? It was cool. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot. I dropped a link in the chat before where if you wanted to watch it, I dropped, hold on, I'll grab it again. The segment was The segment, I got the timestamp. I got a link with the timestamp from when my actual segment started. Holy, yo, Steve, you got it, bro. New hour fuckery came through for you. How much lower are we going? New hour fuckery for the win. I'll put an order here. Although we might bounce. What a nice little happy little drop. 765 is the top orb. 750 is the bottom orb. It's actually a tight fucking range. I'm scared. Canceling that bitch. I'm green. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what happens. 757.75 was my order. About to get filled. I just feel like it might want to test the low. It's pretty much testing it right now. It's 10 points away. Good shit, Steve. Nice job. Nice fucking job, bro. So I didn't quite I wouldn't have gotten filled. But we are bouncing. I still think we might drop. We basically bounced right in the middle of the fucking orb. Let me go back to the 15. Double fucking top. Double top confirming, man. Fuck. You know what I'm going to do? I don't know. I feel like, of course, I had to get some new fucking My Funded Futures evals. Oh, I fucking missed it. Damn. This thing's going to drop a lot. It's going to drop like 40, probably like 40, 50 points. See, I would have got filled. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to go up. I don't know. I just see that double bottom confirming. I just feel like we're going to dump. Whatever. There it is. Bottom orb, at least. We just hit the bottom orb. Oh, man. I'm glad I canceled that order 57, though. Bottom orb bounce. Bottom orb was at 750. We just made a new low. Oh, I'm so fucking. You know, I don't know. I feel like I missed it. I missed the boat. Whatevs. Better than losing money. Be good, Steve. Great job on that trade. 758. Look, 750. Look, see that? 8 points off the bottom orb so far. I don't know if it's going to keep going up, though. New hour fuckery for the win. What's up, Donna? Yeah, we made a new low. We actually made a new low. Cryogenic, what's good? How was my visit? Yeah, oh, that was before. Yo, Raider, I mean, dude, you would think that. Well, look, let's see how this 57.75 trade. I mean, who would want to go down 8 points with fucking 2 minis? Not me. But now this is looking pretty fucking good because I'd be up 4 points. But if I was in that, it probably would have dumped to like fucking 35 or something. I'd be fucking ready to kill somebody. But look at that. The bottom orb. We bounced right off the bottom. Look at that. You see that? Right off the fucking bottom orb. We wicked like a point below it. Amazing. Now we're back at the top orb. Look at that. Fucking crazy. Does it pull back here, go back down? We're going to find out. Probably not. I don't know. It was. There goes my gains. This was the move. This here I go going again. I'm going against my original play, which was 57. We went from 57.75, which was we went down, but 57.75 was the fill. We went up to 67. That was 10 fucking points. But now we're at the top orb. Does the top orb we reject off the top orb? That's what I'm playing for. Notice I said playing because I'm fucking gambling. It's just all a gamble. I'm going to get stopped out. I'm going to get stopped out. Here we go. Well, it was fun being green for a minute. I might still have a chance here. Oh. There we go. Boom. All right, I'm done for the day. Fuck yeah, finally done with that account. Yes. Top orb. It's probably going to go down a little lower. Top orb rejection. What a fucking move. J Money. I had an order at 57.75. I canceled it. If I would have got filled, I would have been down 9 points. And then I went to go long and I fumbled. I fucking hesitated. And I was like, it was too late. Like that shit happened real fast, bro. But I played the rejection off the top orb again. Like it retested the top orb and rejected, and I got 170. But yeah, hesitation, bro. But I'm good now. J Money, what's fucking crazy is I was down as much as $1,000 in this account. These are two accounts. And when I got on the stream, I was down. I started the stream down $872 and I worked this shit all the way fucking back. So, and I didn't tilt. I wasn't tilting at all. What up, Mo? How much profit do I fucking cryogenic? They're fucking Trump is sending mean tweets out while he's sleeping, bro. I don't know. It depends on how it plays out. Like this was a fucking I was up 161 in realized gains, and then I had a trade. I was up $70 in unrealized gains, and then I let it fucking hit. I fucking gave it back and then hit my stop, and then it went fucking. And then it was a series of losses after losses. Kept getting stopped out, and I was down a fuck ton, and then I worked it back. So like at that point, I'm good here. Like it depends on how it goes. Like I could get. If I could get 10 points in one trade and I get $400, $500, I'm cool. But anyway, 180 to 180 plus. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to get huge days, especially with Apex and their 30% rule. But I'm cool with this because look, now the count's at 1900. I just locked in my 5th day. I'm done. Let me make sure I don't have any fucking open orders, right? No open orders. I'm going to log into my Apex account on my other computer because I don't have to hide my screen for a second. But I want to actually, you know what? I'll do it here. Fuck it, man. Why don't you guys give you guys? Why wouldn't I fucking show you guys? All right, Apex. I just feel good. Yeah, obviously I feel great because I worked that all the way back. I just feel super good because I didn't fucking lose my shit. I didn't tilt. Maybe it's because I'm on fucking some fucking hydrocodone because of my surgery. All right. Let's turn my screen back on. All right. So peep this. I'm on day 5 in those 2 accounts. So, I'm just happy that I got another day in and I'm at 1900. I need 3 more fucking days and $600. I could do 500 tomorrow. I don't know. I just don't want to trade these anymore today because of what I just had to do to get to this point. I was basically right here. This is where I was before I decided to give it all back and then go down almost 1,000. I think I was down at one point I was down $1,000. I'm trying to fucking see what my max fucking drawdown was. It's not showing me. This fucking shit isn't like, it's gonna take a will eventually, but you know, I worked really hard to get back up to $227, so I don't want to fucking trade the account anymore. You know what I mean? Okay. Max drawdown, $976. See? Let me see if I took any trades like before midnight. I don't remember if I did. I don't think, I know what, I might not have. I don't know. This shit's usually pretty quick, but it's running slow as fuck. But I'm on day 5 with this account, with those 2 accounts now. And then these 2 are I'm on day 3. I haven't traded them yet. That's what I'm going to do next if I can, if I like what I see. Jesus, it's taking fucking ever. I didn't even take that many trades. J Money, I don't know, man. I'm just not. I feel like I got all that out of my system. I can't say I'm not going to blow any more accounts because, like, dude, I fucking hit the daily loss limit on this Top Step account like an idiot. But I didn't tilt. That's the most important thing. I did not tilt. Oh, and I blew this thing, but I didn't have much drawdown left in that anyway. It was just a combine. I still have the account, you know, so I'm not completely out of the woods, but I feel amazing just because I didn't tilt and I was able. Damn, what the fuck is taking so long? All right, well, it's not going to show me. Damn, fucking annoying. Now we're ping-ponging in the fucking orb right now. Let me try it again. Maybe 162 will be better. It's the same. They're both the same. I just don't know if I took any trades during this session before midnight. And it's not fucking showing me. Oh, all right. One sec. I knew that was part of the reason. Hiding the screen, hiding the screen again. My bad. Ugh, I am Aquaman. Look at this shit. I'm like the fucking penguin. Fuck my life. You see, like, I don't know if you can really tell, but right here, this like extra, the pin is literally through my fucking fingertip. One of the pins literally got drilled right through this fucking fingertip. I heard the fucking drill and everything. And then the other one is coming through the other way, through this knuckle. And they're both sticking out. So he fucking, you know, gave me some extra protection from like dogs walking on me in my sleep. All right, I got to log into my fucking Apex Trade Evade again, motherfucker. All right. Okay, we're back. Let's try this again. All right. No. Yeah, I only traded after midnight. So this is accurate. I was down as much as $976. And I don't know if that includes fees. So I might have been around, you know, close to fucking 1,000. I worked that fucker all the way back. Awful trading though. Great trading because I'm green now. I'm done for the day, but like, damn. It was just this one spot. I mean, I could have been done. Like, the funny fucking thing about it is, like, what's crazy is I would have been up even more had I just not canceled the first order. Look at the first order. I canceled a buy at 782 and it ran up to 791.50. It was my sell. I canceled all of that. And that would have been, I'd be up 340 bucks, 350 or something like that. And I fucking canceled it. I really need to stop doing that. All right. Wiz No Fear, what up? 21,690 looks like a good buy. Yeah, I mean that's like after this double. If this double bottom, I mean we already broke it. The double top, I mean the upside down whack Arnold's W. I mean this thing potentially has like 50, 60 points in it. And so far from this break, I mean we got 20. We were down as much as 20 points. Now it's bouncing. Another fucking bottom or bounce. Basically, we equal lows right there, and it fucking bounced 12 points. What up, Nick? Yeah, Jason, when you reach 52,600, you can only request 500. So, you know, I'm going to aim to go for more. But, like, once I'm there, though, if I'm there and I could fucking look, this is how, like, I tell people this shit all the time. And I'm sure you take the money. You'll take the money when it's available to you. But, like, if you go to request payout, as soon as this fucking thing, as soon as any accounts show up in the drop down, I'm requesting whatever's available. I'm not fucking around. I stopped fucking around like that, trying to get more. Whatever's in there. Like I've taken 595. I've taken 690. I've taken 640, 541. I've even taken as little as 507. I don't give a fuck. I'm taking the money. Take for those of you guys that you know, haven't gotten any payouts yet, or you've gotten some payouts, but like maybe you've were in line for payouts and you fucked yourself out of payouts because you wanted to just get just a little bit more. Take the money as soon as it's available, whatever the amount is. It doesn't matter. Get the win. Just to feel, just to fucking, you know, even if it's not your first payout, just the fact that you got the payout is huge for your self-esteem. It's a huge fucking boost to your subconscious mind. So you're not worried about fucking, you know, you don't have in the back of my mind, oh my God, I'm just going to fucking get close and blow it again. And, you know, or whatever, you know what I mean? Like I get like that too. Just take the fucking money. So as soon as, if I don't get to 52, if I'm at like, if I get to the 8th day, right? I'm still not there yet, right? I'm not even close yet. I'm $700 away. And I have 3 more days to trade. I don't even care if it takes me more than 3 days. I probably, if I get the job done, it's probably going to happen in the next 2 or 3 days anyway. But whatever I'm at, if I'm at fucking 52,673, I'm taking $573. Period. I don't care, especially since I haven't gotten a payout yet this month. I'm taking it. And then I could build the account back up. I'll be only at 2,100. I'll have $2,100 of drawdown, and I could just grow it. Growing to $2,000 in 8 days is pretty fucking easy, as long as I don't do any dumb shit. But I don't want to get too ahead of myself, right? Ron, you requested on the 22nd and you're not paid? What do you mean? Did you get approved? No, I got paid. Oh, what do you mean? No, I got paid. The money hit. They just don't always flip it. Believe me, bro, I got the fucking money. I'll show you. I made this in Photoshop. I get fucking, that one was from these 3. I got approved on like the 24th. I got that 3 business days. I got all of that. $3,285. Look, 2,000. This is what? $1,285. $3,285. I got it on the 29th. So if you look at the fucking calendar, right? I got approved on the 22nd. No, when did I get approved? No, I got approved on the 23rd or the 24th. Hold on. I'll tell you right now. Apex approved. I got approved on the 24th. So let's look at the fucking calendar. I think that was a Friday. I got approved on the 24th, right? And 3 business days later, I had the payout. The money hit my bank account on the 29th. So no, they paid. They just didn't mark it. It's not marked as paid, but I got the money. And all the shit that's blurred out is all my OnlyFans subscriptions, you know? Don't tell anybody. Don't tell my wife. Oh, and if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, I'll follow you back. My Twitter is ZERODAYJay. I'll drop the link in the chat. Yeah, you're good, Ron. I thought like you said you requested on the 22nd. You're still waiting for your money. But yeah, they take a while, you know. I don't know why it doesn't. It's not the most real-time thing. The approved, you know, the requests and the approvals and denials are you know, they, you know, once it happens, it reflects. But the pay, I don't know why. blown. That's one of my goals for this year is to like take some accounts. I don't have a specific number. Maybe I should have a specific number, but take accounts multiple times. Take multiple accounts to, you know, beyond that 5th payout so I could get like the max withdrawal. That's when the big money starts coming. Damn, look at that. See? There's 740. Now is the bottom orb going to be is the bottom orb going to be, you know, is going to retest the bottom orb? Look what happened. We fell out of the orb and then we're back in it right now. But if you really look from when the market opened, we're back where we were when the market opened. I mean, we went up a little bit. Oh, awesome, Wiz. I got you, bro. Yeah, I'll follow you guys back. Yo, Wiz, no fear. You're Harjeet? Shut the fuck up. Really? Hold on a second. Sam, which 30% rule? Oh, your general KO. Yeah, I was gonna say because Harjeet, when Harjeet's in the there you are. Yeah, Harjeet, like when I see Harjeet in the stream, he's in here as Harjeet. I don't see you on here, bro. You said you followed? I only see Harjeet. Let's see. Oh, there you are, bro. I got you. Yeah, I don't know why you didn't show me Mad Moolah. I don't know why it didn't show in the notifications. We're good now. I got you back. At least I'm pending. All right, cool. Let's go back to this shit. In drawdown, you said you were good for the. Yeah, dude, it's not a bad spot, man. It's definitely not a bad spot. I just don't trust it to go up a ton. But look at that. It like bounced off of this fucking chop right here. Crazy. And this right here. That's what I look for when I take trades. Like when everything's working for me and I'm like seeing shit right, that's usually how I fucking play it. I just don't trust it to go up too much because the bottom orb is at 750. And you know, I just think there's more in this fucking double bottom confirmation. J Money, listen, pal. All right, you understand? Oh, so I wouldn't have seen. Oh, I wouldn't have. That's why I didn't see it because it's private. That's interesting. So Sam, all right, let me answer your question, Sam. What up, Shari? Is it Shari or Shari? I'm sorry. I butcher people's names all the time. So you're not the only one if I got it wrong. Which one is it? The first one or the second one? I feel like it's the first one. I feel like it's Shari, but I could be wrong. I don't know. I've been wrong so many times with people's names. It's fucking hilarious. I'll drop that. My bad, Harjeet. I'll get that for you. Second one, Shari. It's Shari. You accept both? Okay. Okay. Cool. Awesome. How's it going? All right. So, Sam, what happens if I know I have violated the 30% rule? When should I request? Request as soon as the fucking drop down appears in your account. As soon as it appears, they're either going to approve you or deny it. It's probably going to be a denial, especially if it was really bad, if you really blew it. You know what I mean? Like if you went down, let's say on a 50K, you went down like $1,100 in the trade. Like it's blatant. So you're probably going to get denied. Who gives a fuck? Get denied. You get your fresh set of 8 days, and then don't do it again. Try not to, at least. We all know how it happens, right? We all know. I can't say it's never happened to me, right? Look at all my denials. I got plenty of fuck. I got plenty of them, right? Denied. But then, what's going to happen when you get denied is now you got to have 8 clean days. It's really 5 clean days, 5 days of $50 or more. And then 3 days of flipping is really all you need. But what you'll do is like your account will have a higher balance. Every time I got denied the first time and then I was able to get that account to a payout, the second time through, I ended up getting the max payout. So I'm not saying the push for it. I'm just saying that's just what happened. Because I can't trade for $50. It just doesn't, I don't know. It just doesn't like, when I try to do shit like that, that's when I kind of fuck things up. Harjeet, let me get that link for you, bro. And for anybody else who wants to watch, I was on, if some of you, most of you know, but I was on Top Step TV a couple of days ago, and it was pretty fucking awesome. So if you missed it, here's the link with the exact timestamp. The exact timestamp when I came on, right when I came on. They invited me back, so they liked me too. Marcin, all the accounts I got paid on, yeah, they're all gone, bro. Thanks, Nick. Trading NQ went short at 5:30 a.m. Are you marking it in? Oh, J2, of course, yeah, bro. That's where I'm from. Fucking, why you from? Well, no, you were in Jersey, right? I'm from fucking Valley Stream. I grew up in Valley Stream. You know Valley Stream? A lot of people refer to Valley Stream as Valley Queens because it's the first town. It's the first town in when you're driving out of the city and driving out of Queens and going to Long Island. Valley Stream is the first town on Long Island. Not the first, obviously there's others that are north and south, but Valley Stream is one of them. Like when you're driving through fucking, like if you're coming from like JFK Airport or something like that, or you're coming from like fucking, LaGuardia, and you're on the Cross Island, and then you get on the Southern State Parkway. That first exit on the Southern State Parkway, the first 3 exits are Valley Stream. 13, well, the first 4, 13, 14, 15, and 16 are Valley Stream. What up, Mr. Varma? It went good, but I feel the pins now because the fucking, the pain, the fucking numbing shit wore off like hours ago. Yep, they do, bro. Strong Island. Basically like everybody, like when I was growing up, like I was born in 79. So, just about everybody who lived, all of me and all my friends, that all of us who grew up in Valley Stream, our parents were from fucking Queens and Brooklyn. They wanted to get out of Queens and Brooklyn. So they moved to Valley Stream. That's how it happened. And then that, like, so that's how that was. Like my mom's from Brooklyn. My dad's from Far Rockaway. And plus Valley Stream was like, there's another thing about Valley Stream is the, the train station. There was a fucking direct fucking train ride right into the city. You know what I mean? To Penn Station. So that's another reason why people live there. And the airports are close and all that shit. I grew up right across the street from the Green Acres Mall. How long do I have to keep it like this for a week? The pin that's through the front, the pin that's through this fingertip, just the tip, is through the fucking tip into this bone to hold it together. That one comes off in 3 weeks. He'll literally fucking pull it out with fucking pliers or some shit. 3 weeks. And then the one that's through this bone, which is fucking, not only is it broken, it's also dislocated. That one's going to be in for 6 weeks. So, look, we kind of rejected off the bottom orb. Crazy. I wish I was trading, but it's okay. I don't need to force anything. What's gold doing? Gold is still just hanging around. What the fuck? Why isn't my template? Jesus Christ. Oh, that's interesting. Look at all this. The volume profile actually tells you the number of fucking orders or some shit that's going through. That's cool. I never noticed that. Never saw the numbers. That's new. Look at that. 40 points so far. I said it was going to be like 60-ish, 50, 60 points. Big ass M in the 15. Yeah, dude. We had a upside down whack Arnold's. Upside down whack Arnold's. The issue with this M is we don't have a higher high. So it's more like a fucking, this is the 15-minute. It's just, a double top more than anything. So I don't, I wouldn't trust that for like the M, like the harmonic type of play. But look, I mean, here's where the fucking 72 to fucking, 60 points. We're already down fucking 40. We already went down 40. There might be another 20 points in this move, which is basically, I mean, I don't know if I want to trade it here. I wish I fucking had some nuts and fucking did it from when it confirmed. I've just been getting played so much by the NQ that I didn't trust it. Here's Johnny. What up? Oh yeah, dude. I used to fucking, my grandmother lived right off of that fucking the Beach Channel Drive. The railroad. Yeah, the railroad. What is that? Was it Beach Channel Drive or Short? Yeah. She lived in the apartments off of Shorefront Parkway where like the tennis courts are and shit and the handball courts are. Right there on the beach. She lived in one of those apartment complexes. I was there all the fucking time. Uh-oh. Dropping some more. I could see it bouncing like right here, which is basically fucking, 60 points. Go figure. Christoph, it's what's up, man? It sucks. It's fucking, the procedure was successful. The procedure, I spent more time waiting to go in the operating room than I fucking spent getting operated on. The shit was fucking quick. Once they got me all set up and they cleaned my hand and they got me all fucking like, prepped for the surgery, he drilled two pins into my finger. I just need a carrot for a nose, fucking Nick. That's fucking funny. You got approved last Friday? You're still waiting from what, Apex? Well, they do say 3 to 7 business days. When did they send the payment sent email? Did you get the payment sent email? What up, Coach Fred? Yeah, it went well, but man, I'm fucking I'm feeling like I have a fucking pin through my fingertip into my bone, and I feels like I have another pin going the other way through the other bone. I fucking feel it, and it's fucking weird, and it hurts. And I gotta sit like this. Like I can't do anything with this hand. Like I can't. It's fucking brutal. I'm gonna have to be like this for a fucking week. Yeah, so Johnny, it's like 3 to 7 business days from when you get the payment sent email. So you might not have gotten the payment sent email until like Monday if you got approved on Friday. And today's the third business day. I mean, 3 to 7 business days. The last two payouts I got them on the third business day in the morning. Am I a lefty? No. And I've been wiping lefty for a fucking month now, and it's still hard as fuck. I hate it. Sorry, ladies. Yup. Exactly, Ron. Apex is back to 50%. Then when their sales end now, they're over. They used to just extend them. Dude, I mean, I just use a trackpad, bro. Nah, Sparta Nick, bro. I mean, for real, bro. It's the struggle is real. Wiping lefty is fucking awful when I've been wiping righty my whole life. But I did break this finger once before, but it was a long time ago. Jamila. Jam- Jamila's still here. Yeah, it's brutal. It's not fun. Was that the whole move? What did we go down? Almost 50 points, 45 points. Might not be done. I don't know. You know what was even worse? Baby boss. You want the Discord link? Yeah, I'll drop it in a second. What was really when I got my ace when I had the first time I tore my ACL and I got the reconstructive surgery, taking a shit with a fucking reconstructed with fresh out of fucking surgery with a torn ACL reconstructed was awful. Awful. Because I was in that fucking big ass fucking like stabilizer from like the ankle to like your upper fucking thigh. That was brutal. You had to like maneuver your leg a certain way. It was, I don't know what's worse, wiping lefty or having to do that shit with a fucking, especially if they grafted my patella tendon. They took the middle fucking prong basically and made that my ACL, and just getting up and all the blood rushing down to that incision was fucking awful. But I trade New York, just not the Open, because I'm in Vegas right now, so it's almost 4 o'clock. So I'll be sleeping when New York opens, which is probably the best thing for me. Let me grab that link for you. How many members are we at? We are at 1,047 members. Not bad. Closing in on 1,100. Here's the link to the Discord if anybody wants to join. The type of vibes that you see in the chat, we're all just fucking chilling, is how it is in the Discord most of the time. Can't say all of the time, but most of the time, 97% of the time, it's super fucking chilling there. And there's there's awesome people in there, and there's some really good traders in there too. So anybody who wants to join, it's free to join for now. It's been free since beginning, but yeah, we're over 1,000 members. And we have fun in there. It's fucking super chill in there. Until we're not having fun, you know? What's up? La 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 la. What's going on? When did I take that fucking hydrocodone? How many funded accounts am I currently trading? For 5, although I hit the daily loss limit on that shit. Whoops. And then I will have a funded take profit trader account. It shows nothing because I passed. It's waiting for me. Actually, I probably could activate it now. Now that 4 new members. Holy shit, guys. Yeah. Nice. Welcome. Most of the actions in the main chat, by the way, guys. The main chat is basically where everything happens. And then people do post in other places. You got P&L photos and like trading setups and shit like that. But the main chat is basically where everything is going. Oh, someone else just joined. Awesome. Awesome. Welcome, guys. And thank you. Let's see. What the fuck was I looking for? Oh, I got to see if I could activate my Take Profit Trader account. I think I can because it's not even showing in here. Which means it's ready for me to activate. There it is. All right. I'm going to do it right now. I'm not going to trade it right now, but I'm going to activate it right now. I probably shouldn't fuck with it until later. All right. Give it a couple of minutes. Or maybe not even a couple of minutes. Boom. There it is. So 6 funded accounts. Actually, I have 7 because I do have this fucking My Funded Futures account that's hanging on by a thread. It's got $60 of drawdown. What a fucking rough fucking shitty patch I went through. I'm glad I'm coming out of it. Dagon, what up? The mental coach. Well, I found myself, daggone, I hit the daily loss limit on this fucking Top Step account, getting fucked around with by the NQ. And then right after that, I was up 161 bucks in realized gains, and then I had 70 on another trade on these two. And the funny part about that was I had an order, my first order and my take profit, I ended up canceling. And they if I would have just left that alone, I would have been done for the day after one trade and at like 360. But no, instead I decided to give it all back, go down just under $1,000, and then I got it all back on the stream. But the best part about it, daggone, is I did not tilt at all. I did not lose my shit. I just thought it was kind of funny. It was amusing. Edson, what up, man? Oh, awesome, bro. Thank you. Thank you. What up, Joshua? Yeah, I mean, that's what you'll get coming and hanging out here. You know, I'm an open book. I have nothing to hide. I don't, there's no what you see is what you get. I don't hide any fucking account numbers. You'll see me, if you stick around long enough, you'll definitely see me blow accounts. That's for sure. You'll see me take good trades. You'll see me take really stupid trades. But yeah, and everybody in the chat is super fucking chill. But yeah, daggone, you know what I'm saying, man. The fact that I didn't fucking lose my shit tonight, because I've been on the edge lately because of this new price action, this Trumpian shit. I see that as a huge win, a huge fucking win. And I'm like compromised because I just had this fucking operation on my finger to get the pins put in, and like you know, there's been a lot of stuff that happened in the last month. My whole routine got fucking turned upside down. How I've been living my life got completely fucking flipped on its head because I broke my finger. What do you want to see individual trades? Do you want to? You talking about like when you hover over it, or you just want to see like what each trade, like what your trading history is? You just click on this gear on any account that you want to look at, and then it's your performance stats, and then you could also have a module that shows right on the screen, but I got rid of that shit, and you can see today, yesterday, this week, all this shit. You know what I mean? Like this one, I'm going to see this month. It shows all my trades for the month. I've only had this for this month. Holy shit, this account has a 100% win rate? Yo, look at me. I'm the best fucking trader on YouTube, guys. You see, you see that? This is the only account I've ever traded, all right? That's fucking crazy. Damn, you see what just happened? We fucking popped from 28 to 55, and now we're back down again. Oh yeah, Christoph. Yeah. What trades did I take today? Do you have a system, something you look for specific? Well, my system is I guess my way in and I guess my way out. That's my system. No, I look for I like certain I'm more of a directional trader. Like I like playing bounces and rejections, so I like key levels too, like the upper the VWAP and VWAP pivot points, which there are. Well, there's one up here and one down here on the 15-minute, and the orb. I love the orb. But then, like on a smaller level, I like playing support and resistance. Like there's zones, right? You see all this fucking chop, all this stuff right here, like that. Those are like areas of support and resistance. They become support and resistance. And I like to play that a lot. Like, look what happened right here. We bounced here, right? And then look where we rejected, right at this, you know, basically in this fucking area of chop became resistance. You got this right here. And now we got some support down here. I do think we're going to go lower, though. I could be wrong. We had a double top confirmation, and the full move is about 50 to 60 points. We went down. What do we go down? 45. I mean, it's almost complete. Yeah, lots of guessing, Christoph. Lots of lucky guesses. You know, I have no thesis, I've been told. I've been told I guess my way in, I guess my way out. So all that shit like became a joke, you know. But yeah, I talk like when I'm gonna take a trade, like I talk about what I'm looking for. You know. I'll tell you one thing, don't ever copy me in a trade. But don't fade me either. Don't do either. Your short was at 28? Oh shit. Did you get stopped out? This is what happens with this new fucking market. You probably got stopped. I don't know where your stop was. I don't know how big you were in, but you probably got stopped out, and then now look, it's right back to your original entry. Shit's fucking annoying. Oh, you held. How big were you in? Oh, 1 mini? That's fucking, I mean, yeah, I mean, we rejected off of this, but yeah, I mean, you were down fucking like $560. Eval or PA? That's the question. Because I get an eval, I get it. In a PA, I mean, then again, I fucking do that in the PAs too. Nice. So were you willing to violate the fucking, you were getting closer to 30%. Oh, a 300K? Oh, yeah, forget about it. You have, like, what's the fucking 7,500 is the fucking drawdown. If you're below the buffer, you could go down as much as, Fucking A, my fucking hand. You could go down as much as 2250. Yeah, so you had plenty of fucking room. What up, Stevie J? Is max drawdown $9.30 good? Oh man. Yeah, Edson, man. Yeah, dude. That's cool, man. I mean, it sucks that you found me because you were tilting too, but I'm glad you found this channel because it's not just me, right? It's not just me, it's like all these awesome people who hang out in the chat. There's some really fucking good traders that hang out in the chat. And the vibes are super chill all the time. Unless there's some fucking jerk off that comes in here and then I have to fucking check them and tell them to fuck off. But you know, most of the time the vibes are fucking awesome in here. Almost all the time until someone comes and ruins it. But yeah. And I also stream during power hour too. I stream during the overnight. It's never like a set time, never on at the same exact time during the overnight. It's like whenever I get on. Because a lot of times I'll pass out and I'll wake up at like 2 and be like, oh shit, gotta get on the stream. Or so I mean, the other night I slept all the way through, but it was like the day before my surgery. But I stream for power hour every single day, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. And then I stream during the overnight. And then like I do random streams. Like if my son's at soccer practice, I'll do what's called a whip stream. And I'll literally stream and trade from my mobile hotspot and my fucking phone in the back on my phone in the backseat of my car. I did load up on eval, Sammy. I just blew them all. But don't worry, I have plenty of 80% off one-time use codes from all of the fucking funded accounts I blew. So I got yeah, absolutely. Edson, if you also we have a Discord where the DCA gang, the DGen fam hangs out. You could join that. It's the same type of energy, same vibe in the Discord. Everybody that shit's usually popping. It's popping all at like all times, like all hours of the day. Yeah, I actually took some gold trades tonight. I did good. I went 2 for 2. The way the NQ, the way the NQ's been, like I'm primarily an NQ trader. The way the NQ's been, it's making me want to trade gold more because the NQ's just been absolutely fucking insane. Stevie J, the fingers the fingers got some fucking pins in it and I feel them. Yeah, NQ Josh, bro. The NQ has been fucking fucked, man. You like silver. Joshua likes silver on the Asia session. That's interesting. Doesn't silver move the same as gold though? Don't they move together? Isn't it kind of like the ES and the NQ? Because I'm a precious metals guy. So, although gold has been fucking pumping and silver has kind of been lagging, but silver does move up and down with gold. What up, Eric J? Yeah, and anytime fucking Trump says something, the fucking NQ goes berserk. Just when you think you're in a fucking, just when you think you're like in a good trade, Trump will fucking say something like how he said, if I get assassinated by Iran, I have instructions in place to make sure that they get obliterated. He tweets this shit, or he'll say, I mean, it's great. Like it's fucking like he's fucking great. It's hysterical. He's like the ultimate troll and all that shit. But like when you're in a fucking trade and everything's looking good, and he says that, and it drops 50 fucking points in it literally when you blink your eyes, and then it fucks you up. Eric K. We got Eric J and Eric K here at the same time. I feel like it's been a while since we had you both in here at the same time. Tony Trades, what up? Farhad, yo, Farhad, if you're still here, I have not gotten a payout from bulenox yet. I just started trading them like a month ago. I was on day 8. I was at like 3,200 on day 8 or day 9. I had 8 days in. On day 9, I fucking blew the account like a fucking loser. So bad. I could have made so much money last month. Last month, I could have had over 20 grand in payouts. I mean, I don't want to say I only had, but it feels like that because of all the accounts I fucking all the payouts I fucked myself out of. I did 11,900 last month, and I feel like I had a bad month because of all the accounts I fucked up. Look at that. There we go. What is that? 71 to 16. What is that? That's 55 points. 55 points. Let's see if we get a bounce now. Is it done? We're going to find out. Maybe not. Might have another 5 or 6 points in it. 10? 710 is 60 points. Uh-oh. Oh, we got new. I didn't even realize what fucking time it was. New hour fuckery. This could be bad. Give me this. Wishful thinking. That's a lot, actually. Give me. Here's what we'll do. Oh, what the fuck? We don't want to do that. I wanted to change this. Give me this. And then this. That would be cool. Did you see that? I was up $100. I was up like 120. And then as soon as I hit 120, I then went down. Like it all disappeared. That's crazy the way this shit moves. New hour fuckery. Oh man, take me out of fucking 1. Jesus. Take me out of half, please. Do it for the stream. Oh my God, you fucker. Oh, there it is. There's 1. I'm locking this shit in. Yeah. We did it, Joe. It's probably going to hit my take profit, though. What did I cancel? 696? No. 736. 736.50. That's fine. Done for the day with my funded Apex accounts. I'm good with that. Here we go. New hour. Up. Getting close. It could easily go the other way, though. That's the problem with new hour fuckery. It could easily dump. But I just felt like we were at the bottom, like that the move finally was complete. It could look. I would have been right there. I would have been fucking pissed. I imagine I was there, like, oh man, oh, so close as just a few more points. And then it went back to my entry. That's the shit that's crazy about the NQ, especially during a new hour. Look at that. I'm glad I got out when I did. I'm good with $218. Like these accounts are only on day 3. I'm up $1,150 through 3 days. on that account, on those two accounts. See, they're on day 3. These are on day 5. I'm fucking perfectly fine with that. Now I'll probably grab some evals. I have some 80% off, some one-time use 80% off codes from all the fucking funded accounts I blew. I'll probably grab some later. But I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. Coach Christie. Thank you. Benny Reimer, what up? Eric K is alive and well. Awesome, man. Mr. The Belka, what up? News in 4 minutes. Oh, shit. Is this unemployment? The unemployment fucking claims about to happen? Or something else? I know there's some like fucking Bank of England shit going on. Forex Factory. Yeah, monetary policy report, all this shit, bank rate. This is like the FOMC. This is the FOMC, but in fucking the UK. And then unemployment claims are at 8:30. Unemployment claims are in an hour and a half. No. Yeah, hour and a half. And then you got the governor at 4:05 p.m. The governor of the bank, the Jerome Powell of the Bank of England is speaking. The governor. AKA some fucking douchebag piece of shit. All right, let me make sure I don't have any fucking open orders on this shit. You know, I would have loved to have gotten more, but that's what I ended up with, so I'm okay with that. I got plenty of, I still got to trade this thing for 5 more days and, to get to a payout, but what am I averaging? 1150 divided by 3. I'm averaging $383 a day. So because I had a day, like, I think I did like $600. 383 times 8. I mean, that gives me fucking $3,000 if I keep that pace. I'll be more than happy with that. Yeah. What up, Peter Shapp? 720 what? 720 Eastern or Central? It says 8:30 here on Forex Factory. Whoops. Vinny Cuz, what up? 7:30, yeah, so 8:30, yeah, 8:30 Eastern. I just figure everybody, yeah, you're good, Peter. I just figure everybody's in fucking on the East, goes by East Coast time. There's New York Stock Exchanges is on East Coast time. Yeah, hour and a half. Yep. Dan, what up, Dan? W is still going. I wish you would have posted it when it fucking popped, when it happened. You must have been sleeping. Let's see. Let's see. Where'd you post it? Where's Dan? Oh, there you are. Was this from your phone? Oh, it's because you're on you're trading from your fucking phone, bro. That's a fucking phone screenshot, dude. You're wild, man. I don't trade on my phone. I don't trade on my fucking phone. Oh, practice W playing out? Fuck that. I don't trade on my phone anymore. Yeah, Stevie J, they're pretty good. It's just sometimes it's not, it's not, sometimes you get the level, sometimes because it's just the chop zones. They're basically levels of support and resistance. So sometimes they'll bounce right at the very, like, let's say you're playing for a bounce. Sometimes it'll bounce right at the very top of the zone, or sometimes it'll go almost through the entire zone before it bounces. So you got to keep that in mind, Same thing on for it to pull back for resistance. Sometimes it'll hit literally the bottom of the zone, like, oh, it'll find a wick and reject off of that, or it'll go into the fucking chop zone, middle or the top of it, and then reject. So like, you know, that could cost you. J trade phone. Yeah, that's fucking funny. Jack Boom, what up? Yeah, this fucking NQ is crazy. Let's see, what's gold at? Damn, gold fucking pumped. I took some trades in gold before. Damn, look at that from the bottom. So 704 to look at that. Gold went up 900 and went up 238 fucking ticks. One mini for 238 ticks is 2,380 bucks from the bottom. I was in a mini in these accounts before, and I took it for fucking 12 ticks. And I had my stop loss, I mean my take profit here at 2883.9. And I let myself take baby gains, and it fucking, of course it hit it. It hits the take profit. And then I went short because the take profit became a short order because I was already out, got another 90 bucks. But fuck, look, even from there, it went up another 100 ticks. It went up 100 ticks from there. That's $1,000 with one mini. Fucking gold, man. This is so much cleaner than fucking what the NQ does. Look at the NQ. Let's go look. What the fuck? Why did I do that again? Motherfucker. All right. And the NQ, look at the NQ, just disgusting. I mean, it looks like a clean move, right? We had this double bottom confirmation. I mean, we went down 63 points. Look at that. I think it's done going down, unless like this monetary shit. Never know though. Well, let's fuck around. Probably a better idea of me not trading this fucking take profit trader account right now, but fuck that. I'm not trading this shit. I'm leaving on a fucking high note. I worked these two fuckers back from almost 1,000 down, and I'm done for the day. Green, closer to payout land. And then I took one trade and I fucking got 218. I'm good. No reason to trade it anymore. What up, Bacon? Do I have an active code for bulenox, Peter? Oh, Pete, that's not Peter Schaap. Pete, yeah. ZERODAYJAY will get you 83% off. Let me make sure that didn't expire. I just looked at that before. It was still active. Let me just double check that for you. Sorry. One sec. Bear with me. Oh, no. It expired. Fuck. It did expire. There's no promotions right now. Damn. It expired it expired yesterday. Sorry, guys. They'll have something new. As soon as they have something new, I'll let you guys know. They might even just extend this. A lot of times they just extend it. That's what Vinny Lee was saying before. I guess I didn't realize that it expired because I looked. Damn, that sucks. Whatever. They'll when they wake up, whenever they wake up and they get on the computer, they're like, oh, we gotta fucking make a new promotion. So right now, the only stuff that's going on is 50% off of 50% off take profit trader, any size test account using code ZERODAYJ. My Funded Futures 25% off expert accounts. If you fuck with expert accounts, that's a good deal. Using code ZERODAYJ. Oh, look, I would have gotten filled. You see that shit? I never placed the order, but like I was like down here. I don't know. I ain't fucking with it. This is a brand new account, brand new funded account. Not fucking with it. I'm good. Fucking gold. Yeah, bacon, absolutely, man. TJP, what up? Your demo account you took from 50K to 1.2 million in 3 months. If only you traded the real money like that. Right? Damn. That's fucking impressive. It's impressive. There are people in real, and there are people who have done that though in real fucking life. Yeah, we're chopping around here. Like, who the fuck knows? Like, this could be the bottom of that double top confirmation, right? But it might not be. You know what I mean? Like, who the fuck knows? It could go lower. It could go down to here or here. Yeah, because they don't give a fuck. They're like, it's just 50, it's just 50K. That's how I am about like evals for 33 bucks. But they're like, it's just 50K. It's fucking 4:12. Yeah, I didn't stream yesterday morning because I fucking passed out on the couch. I wanted to, but it actually worked out. I don't know. I probably would have been better off that I got rest because I had to get fucking surgery. Yeah, that's a big range. That's a 300-point range. Yeah, if we have this unemployment shit coming up. But I do feel like if anything, it's going to come back. At the very least, it'll come back up to where that shit broke, to the downside. I don't know, but I'll be sleeping. I'm going to wake up. I'm going to get on the computer later, when I wake up and shit in the morning, and I would be like, holy fuck. Because that's what always happens after some red folder event. I'm always like, holy shit, look at that. Would you look at that, So that's 2 fibs. Yeah, in either direction, right? I mean, if I go to the hourly, what is the 4-hour? If I go to the hourly, I guess you could say I mean, this would be the bottom on the hourly. On the 15. Yeah, it's got a ways to go for like for an upside bounce on the fib if you do that, but maybe from the top to the bottom here, I don't know. Yeah, like this would be the 618 right here. This might either be the midline. Let's see. Let's draw it right now. The midline or the 618. Yeah, so where it's about the midline on the fib from the, to the downside fib on the 15 at least. Which is interesting. Actually, the 618 is where the candle starts, though. Watch this. Let me fucking. Very interesting. I'm going to miss it, though. Like, I'm not going to be around for it. I'm going to be sleeping. All right, so let me zoom in on this fucker. The Fibonacci. It's a happy little Fibonacci. All right. So, so from the top to the bottom, the 618 is literally this is the candle that we needed to break to confirm that double bottom, this wick right here. But the beginning of the candle is right on the 618. Go figure. So it's interesting. I mean, we could come up here and reject off of that and come back down, or reject before it here on this wick. I don't know. Or we could just blow right through it because the fucking news is good. I don't trust any of it. I can see us coming down to this pivot point at 21,662 and then bouncing there. So, I mean, I don't fucking know. Who knows? Nobody knows. But what's interesting on the hourly is I literally thought we were going to fucking come down to about this area of support once that double top confirmed. I love it when like shit that is supposed to kind of happen, like it's kind of supposed to happen, actually happens. But with the NQ, you just never fucking know. You just never know. Yeah, this shit's moving slow. Oh man. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it. Yeah, dude, it's brutal. I'm gonna call it a fucking night or a day or a morning. I'll be on for power hour later. I'll be hanging in the Discord later too. But I'll be on 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern later. If you guys are around, come hang out. And hopefully I'll see you then. If not, thank you so much for hanging out right now. It's been a pleasure. As always, smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. And I'll see you guys soon. I can't do the peace sign as I'm exiting because I fucking can't do anything with this other hand. So I'm saying peace. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully I'll see you later. All right. Peace.